Welcome back to another episode de El Combo, los que no se dejan, ya tú sabes, los más duros, los más locos. Aquí estamos nuevamente un episodio que esta sesión le voy a llamar Inventando con Eduardo, ese soy yo, follow me, Eduardo X5. Ahora hoy vamos a bregar con mi guaguita, ponerle estas pendejaditas, ya yo le puse ese, como pueden ver, y le había puesto ese de ahí. So, ordené unos que van aquí debajo y también a cambiar un poco el frente. Esto de aquí cromeo no me gusta mucho. I don't like those too much, so I got the other ones here, gloves black. Bam, bam. So, este es el episodio de hoy. Ya tú sabes, como siempre, bregando en lo que nos gusta hacer. Y empezamos. Y aquí estamos nuevamente. A ver si no me equivoco. I think I gotta remove this clip, push it in, and they should come out. This one here, and it should have one on the top. Same thing with this other one here. Pull them out, and this whole thing should pop out. So, as you can see, it's already coming out. So, this is a 2013 BMW X5. See, I did a couple of modifications. Not too much. Charge pipe, air intake, bigger intercooler, and then I don't know, you're not gonna be able to see it, but I got the downpipe too, so, and a little bit of tune. So, but today we are working on this kidney grill, so let's get at it.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 6.
Okay, and now we are working on the side skirt. So this is the new part. Let's open them up. See how it looks like. Just because the front kidney grill was so quick and easy. Let's see if we have time to mount this. And if we have time, we might be heading out to a little car show in the Downbury area. Let's see if we have time. I'm making a mess here. I need a blade. I don't know what's my blade. Maybe Alex took it. If you're watching this Alex, you better give me my blade back. I need it. Alright. The first one came out. The other side. you're trying to get this, I only paid $30 for it. Took a while to get them, but they're not even for my car. So let's see if I can make them work. I like to be different. And that's the reason I got an S5. I don't see too many of them hooked up. So this is the piece. It's gonna go here. That's where it's supposed to go. The truth, I just realized I don't like it the way it looks, so I might give it away to my brother Emmanuel. So Emmanuel, if you're watching this fit your car, your Honda Accord. You can get them for free. Alright, consider it a gift from your big brother. Baby, Blue, where we living in? Blue, tell them where we living. Blue. Hat? No, you want a hat? So let's go. Y nos vamos en la Blue, como lo dice Baby. We're living in Blue. Yo, welcome back. We're here for another episode. El Combo, Los Más Locos, with Giovanni's back here. She's hiding. And we got the driver here. So we are heading out for a little drive. A ver qué encontramos, see what we can find por ahí con la familia y eso. See if we can find a couple of cars, you know, today's Friday. Grab a little bite. And, you know, do regular stuff with regular people. So, yeah. This is how we start.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Llegamos, we here. Con la nena ahí. You can see. La gente, you know, making noise. My brother told me it was a car show, but it's a little meeting. So gente aquí para It's like life, ya tú sabes. Matching with the panza. Well, so we here waiting for my brother to come in y que haga la entrada. Chilling for a little bit on a Friday. Y aquí llegó el Eddie con su BM. Dile, Eddie.
Yo, 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 yo. La camisa se deja.
Mira qué bonito. Look what we just found here.
Era eso.
Mira este el culo.
3 pulgadas, 4 pulgadas.
Eddie, what you think about that?
Hey, I like it. Only 2 in here. This long day. Oh, everything's good with food. Oh, a couple of quick bites, and you know how we do. Yeah. So yeah, mi gente, I forgot to record the outro after all that food and all that driving. Boy, I forgot about it, but yeah, this is it for today. Remember, don't forget to hit the little campanita, like, share, and that's it, man. Hasta la próxima. Peace.